enterprise client had created a new customer-facing role and was hiring hundreds of people into the role worldwide, but they didn't have a formalized onboarding program in place. So no two employees were getting the same onboarding experience. It ranged from excellent to no experience whatsoever. We looked at what was working best as well as the needs of the business and created a 3-week virtual onboarding program that uses a pre-test to ensure participant readiness. The program walks the participants through all critical aspects of the job, and they practice their skills in a fictitious customer scenario using realistic assets. Participants learn the job by doing the job, including interacting with other roles to help the customer succeed. We launched this to 300 employees per quarter for 2021, ensuring that over 1,200 employees all had the same experience. The feedback from participants and leadership has been overwhelmingly positive with a 4.4 average CSAT. Want to know more about how we can help you? Contact us today.